Hello, and today we are standing in front of a German full-size luxury sedan named Mercedes-AMG SL, which was launched in 1989, and you are seeing the 6th generation variant of 2025. Only one model is available in Petrol, S63 E Performance, which is priced at 3 crore rupees 34 lakhs ex showroom. This is the highest performance variant of the S-Class. It has a plug-in hybrid system with 188 horsepower electric motor. There is an AMG Performance 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system. Along with variable torque distribution, it also has an optional AMG exterior carbon fiber package worth 725,000 rupees. V23 is the code name of the generation S63. It has been designed by Bloss Filson. The S-Class is built on Mercedes-Benz's modular rear architecture MRA2 platform, on which Class, E-Class, CLE and GLC are also built. The S-Class is assembled in India, Germany, Indonesia, Malaysia and Thailand. Its SUV version is called GLS63, which is not yet available in India. It has rear axle steering, in which the rear wheels can be steered up to 3 degrees, for better road grip, agility and maneuverability. This is the most powerful variant of the S-Class range. It has carbon fiber front sensors. There is an optional AMG-specific dark-end variator grille for 67,000 rupees. For the first time in the S-Class sedan history, a Pan-Americana-style grille with a central star is used. Front camera, off-road match gross pay G logo, and it has digital light headlamps with optional high-beam S plus DRLs. There are powerful headlamps. There is rain-sensing Magic Vision control wipers on the bonnet. Heated windscreen with heated wiping system and intelligent wash programs. S-Camera Dashcam sunroof, electrically adjustable heated auto-dimming carbon fiber outside mirrors with logo projection and camera. V8 Biturbo E Performance badging carbon fiber. AMG side skirts, 5.3 meters length, 2.1 meters width, 1.5 meters height, 12.3 meters turning circle, 100 kilograms roof loading capacity. Approximately 2,500 kilograms curb weight and 3,100 kilograms cross weight. This is the long wheelbase version, and this comes with optional 21-inch AMG multi-spoke light alloy wheels worth 444,000 rupees. There is also an option for 20-inch alloys. Optional carbon ceramic brakes at the front and rear worth 1 lakh rupees. There is also an option for red brake calipers worth 1 lakh rupees. You will get 25,540 ZR 2102 in the front and HL 28,535 ZR 218 and ML Pilot Sport 4S made in USA extra load brilliant tubeless tires at the rear. There are locking wheel nuts. The AMG alloys you are seeing are in black color. There are 14 color options including silver, gray, blue, green, brown, white, gold and red. There are optional paints worth 870,000 rupees. There is an AMG high-performance battery under the boot at the rear, with direct cooling. This technology has been taken from F1. For better performance, there is an AMG performance exhaust system. There is a carbon fiber trim with trapezoidal fluted twin tailpipes and adjustable exhaust flaps. There is a wide diffuser. Race sensor reflector Mercedes star AMG logo S63 badging, and this LED tail lamp high mount stop lamp with adaptive brake lights. Optional AMG drivers package of 281,000 rupees, which will increase the top speed from 250 to 290 kmph. There is also a break-in resistant heat and noise insulated laminated safety glass. Guard 360 degrees vehicle protection plus worth 1 lakh rupees. For all-around vehicle monitoring, which will get anti-theft alarm system, tow-away protection, interior monitoring system, theft assistance, emergency key deactivation and much more. The 22 kW charging cable of S63 is priced at 36,000 rupees. AMG Active Ride Control Plus is a multi-chamber air suspension. Ride height can be adjusted up to 10 mm for less rolling movements, better comfort and better stability with adaptive damping. Safety features include 10 airbags, ABS, brake assist, 360 degrees camera, acoustic presence indicator, pre-safe impulse side, passenger protection, tire pressure monitoring system, tire repair kit, attention assist, automatic child recognition sensor, brake pad wheel indicator, child presence detection, crosswind assist, dashcam, electric stability program, acceleration skid control, first aid kit, predestination protection, tire inflator and more. Features include active blind spot assist, active lane keeping assist, active brake assist, active distance assist, Testronic, active parking assist, active steering assist with Parktronic and traffic sign assist. There is active engine noise compensation which blocks unwanted low-frequency noises. There is also an option of remote parking package worth 230,000 rupees. 7 drive modes will be available under AMG Dynamic Select: Electric Comfort, Battery Hold, Sport, Sport Plus, Slippery and individual 8,000 rupees. There is a digital key transfer so that you can share the car key from the Mercedes-Benz app. You can also access many features of the car from the smartphone app, such as geo-fencing, speed fencing, maintenance management, vehicle locator, remote door lock unlock, remote parking, vehicle status, remote vehicle diagnostics, tele-diagnostics and more. S63 owners can also become members of AMG Private Lounge and AMG Experience Drive events. So here you will get 35L of boot space. There is an independent boot locking function. There is a 12-watt port light here. There is a through loading feature. Warning triangle above the speaker and it will close the boot with one touch. Let's open the rear passenger side door. There are flush-fitting door handles. Optional 31-speaker 1750W Biomaster high-end 4D surround sound system will be available for 8 rupees, 3,000. S63 will have 15-speaker 710W BMSTER 3D sound system as standard. Lights are provided. Bottle holder, enough space, speaker, wood frame. Optional rear seat comfort package is available for 252,000 rupees. Heating with 2 memory and massage buttons. This is leather finish. This is power window and sunblind controls. There are electric sunblinds. There is double glass for a quiet cabin. There is also sunblind at the back. And this is red AMG Napa leather upholstery. There is also option of beige brown, black and gray colors. It is optional for 50,000 rupees. Optional first class rear compartment is available for 440,000 rupees. There is also an option of bench seats with full-length business center console and executive seats for 156,000 rupees. There is an option of AMG exclusive Napa leather package for 7 rupees, 8,000. There are electrically adjustable seats at the front and rear, with 3 memory functions, massage, heating, ventilation and 4-way number support. There are pockets on the seat backs. There is wood trim. There is active ambient lighting in 64 colors. There is pocket black roof liner. There is also an option of beige color. There are AC vents on the pillars. AMG floor mats illuminated scuff plate. There are rear seat belt feeders for 45,000 rupees. There are seat belt airbags. There are 2 AC vents and here there is double temperature control cup holders. And these AC controls are optional wood frame for 74,000 rupees. There is also an option of piano black and carbon fiber frame for 577,000 rupees. There is also an option of phone holder worth 88,000 rupees. And this is an optional 7.4-inch Samsung SMT 260 MBUX rear tablet worth 74,000 rupees which will show FM radio, navigation apps, track, pace, media, AC settings and much more. There is also a rear energizing package worth 439,000 rupees. This is Samsung's tablet for comfort, performance, AMG Track. There is a refrigerator compartment worth 171,000 rupees. Speakers, handlebar, reading lights, speakers on top as well, reading lights. There are two 11.6-inch screens worth 5 lakh rupees which will support radio, media, internet, web browser, Bluetooth, mini HDMI, aux, remote control, 2 wireless headphones and much more. Radio, comfort, performance, settings, track pace, vehicle settings, light settings, system settings, information, AMG Track Power Radio Comfort. It has functions of massage setting, seat setting, ambient lighting, adaptive rear lighting, 2 memory seats. There are rear airbags which are fitted in the backrest of the front seats. Light is given below. There is a footrest. The backrest of the rear seats can be inclined up to 37 degrees. It has optional climatized rear seats for 1 rupee, 8,000. There is also a lot of space inside it. There is a wireless charger. There are 4 USB ports, 12-volt port, HDMI ports, optional folding tables for 67,000 rupees. It also has leather finish. There are first-class experience power closing doors. There is adaptive rear compartment lighting for 43,000 rupees, with LED matrix lights and LED spotlights. There is also an option of MBUX interior assist for 66,000 rupees which will detect hand-body movement with the help of 3D cameras. Full thigh support rear seats have 3 memory functions: massage, heating, ventilation and 4-way lumbar support. Let's open the front passenger side door and see. Here also there is a lot of space under the door. There is a speaker, there is a light. There are 3 memory seat functions. Unitized scuff plate automatic front passenger airbag deactivation heated door and center armrest pocket and this Mercedes-Benz dash cam which will record the front and interior. Space is also given behind the infotainment. Now let's open the driver's side door and see. Here also there is a lot of space under the door. There is a speaker, there is a light. Button to open the boot, button to open the fuel lead. These are the controls of the power window, control of sun blind, control of ORM, control of headlight, speaker, 3 memory seat functions. Seat controls, heating, ventilation controls, optional AMG, fuel, silver, chrome cap for 15,000 rupees. And this tire pressure in eliminated scuff plate electrically adjustable AMG support seats in front. Luxury headrest treads 4-way number support 3 memory function AMG logo on headrest with heating massage and ventilation AMG badging 3-stage AMG parameters speed sensitive sport steering brushed stainless steel MG pedals. Electric parking brake with rubber stands 2 AC vents, plenty of space inside the armrest, 2 USB ports, here 2 glass holders, cans, 2 USB ports, wireless charger. There is plenty of space. And this drive mode sector, camera button, hazard light button, volume control, and this is 12.8-inch OLED infotainment, with haptic feedback. Will support MBUX voice assistant, AMG track pace, virtual race engineer, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, 5G capable SIM card worth 80,000 rupees MBUX interior assistant, Wi-Fi hotspot, productive functions, fingerprint scanner, 3D hard disk navigation, MBUX augmented reality, live tracking, induction, digital vehicle key remote, sound personalization, internet radio, USB and much more. There is 4-zone thermotronic automatic climate control AC, with air balance fragrance package and energizing air control worth 30,000 rupees. It has charging iNation, Mercedes-Benz apps, weather quiz, it has shuffle pack games you can play. There are many games. Apple Muse, Spotify, car settings, assistance, collision avoidance assistance, camera, vehicle settings, light settings, system settings, information, comfort seat, kinetics, lumbar support, aerial lighting, brightness, colors, effects, radio, FM, media, Apple CarPlay, online music, USB, Bluetooth, and this energy flow, drive induction, this vehicle induction, this power, torque, this IWC digital clock, this average, AMG track pace, this track racing, this drag race, this telemetry, and this 4-zone thermotronic automatic climate control, AC, air quality, this dry modes, slippery, individual battery hold, comfort, sport, sport plus, and this 360°C camera, parking assistance, navigation. These are the configurable buttons of the steering. You can change it. And this is the quick functions head-up display notifications, and this is the engine start button, 4 AC vents, and this is the amazing dashboard finish, and this is the optional MBUX augmented reality head-up display at 470,000 rupees, which will show navigation, driver assistance, speed, RPM and more. RPM, Speed. There are many display designs. Settings. Head-up display on off. Eco display. This is boot frame lockable glove box. This is passenger side vanity mirror light with auto dimming rear view mirror reading lights. Emergency SOS button, Mercedes-Me Connect button, and this is the panoramic sliding sunroof. Heat insulation tinted safety glass, electric roller sun blind, automatic rain closing function, automatic reversing function, pre-safe and wind deflector, and this is driver side vanity mirror light. And this is the 63,000 rupees option in Napa leather and micro-cut microfiber. There is also an option of carbon fiber steering from AMG Performance steering for 122,000 rupees. These are the exhaust and traction control buttons, and these are the phone volume, infotainment and voice controls, Mercedes Star, and these are the drive mode sectors, sport, comfort, individual, and these are the instrument cluster and cruise control paddle shifters, and these are the AMG SpeedShift MCT 9G9 speed automatic transmission with race start function, and these are the wiper controls, electric steering adjustment, and these are the 12.3-inch 3D instrument cluster, 176,000 rupees, with 3D driver display, which will show navigation, driver assistance, RPM, speed, media, outside temperature, range, average, and many more settings, sport, design, dry modes, classic design, average, eco display, attention assess, media, navigation, temperature setup, engine data. This is the understated design. This is the full navigation display. This is the assistance. This is the service. This is the head-up display design, track pace. This is the Super Spot design, 3 rupees D drivers display for ours. $176,000. These speakers will go inside as soon as you turn the car off. There are optional Bumster 4D surround sound speakers for Rs. 13,000. These will come as standard Bumster 3D sound system. Let's open the bonnet and see the petrol engine. So this is the 4th generation V8 twin-turbo 32-volt Mercedes-Benz M177 petrol engine with 13.1 kilowatts lithium-ion battery and 188 horsepower electric motor having 791 horsepower. Torque is 1,430 Newton meters. Acceleration from 0 to 100 in 3.3 seconds. Limited speed of 250 kmph and full speed of 290 kilometers per hour. With driver's package you will get an average of 12 hours from the 76L fuel tank and a mileage of 33 kilometers. The all-electric range of S63 will get fully charged in 7 hours with a 1.8 kilowatts AC charger and in 3 hours 15 minutes with a 3.7 kilowatts AC charger. The same engine is also used in C63, E63, SL63, GLC63, GLE63, GLS63, GLS Mybar G, GT63, G63, Babar Rock, 900, Aston Martin DB11, Vent TAGE, DBX and DB Trial. This is the powerful M177 engine of Mercedes-Benz. The 4000cc twin-turbo has 791 horsepower and 1,430 Nm of torque. This is a fully handcrafted engine. So this was the AMG V8 engine. And the battery of S63 will get charged from here. The battery is provided under the boot at the rear. This is how the accessory looks at night. Powerful headlamps in the front. Stylish tail lamps at the back. There is lighting below on the doors as well. There is quite impressive lighting on the door. There is light below as well. The illuminated scuff plate is a quite illuminated compartment. There is lighting on the side as well. Lighting is also provided at the back. There is optive rear compartment lighting behind the seat. Dashboard full lighting is LED matrix lights. There is also light below on the front door. There is lighting above as well. This is a limited scuff plate for 12 lighting. There are many colors that you can select. So how did you like the Mercedes-AMG S63? Tell us in the comments. Thank you. Hum hum namaste.